you guys, we're in a clearance. We just want to show you something. Look at this. Manny got excited for a minute. Remember that video we dropped where we found these at $7? Look how much they are here. Regular price $39.98. They're on sale for $30. So you save $9.98. They're on sale for $30. We got them for $7. This is why Manny grabbed the other one. So when this one goes down in price, we're definitely going to pick up all of these. Look what we found. Now you guys know we live in Florida and it's always raining. Look at this. Let me stand up. This is a really nice umbrella. I know you're not supposed to be opening umbrellas inside the store, but oh well, we want to show you. Look at that. So it's black. This is a really nice one. And I want to show you guys something. Look at this. It says oversized sports umbrella. And it's a 52-inch, 100% polyester. Here's the UPC. You guys, these are only $3. They're only $3. They got a bunch of umbrellas over here. This one's actually $5. And it's for this one. So we're going to grab a couple of these $3 umbrellas, throw them in the back seat of the car. And when it rains, I don't have to worry about my hair getting wet. So they got $3 umbrellas, $5 umbrellas, and a couple of $4 umbrellas. Good luck. Look how big this box is, you guys. Look at this. Are these crab legs? I don't eat too much seafood. Is that crab legs? I don't. Look at this, you guys. This is actually, let me go around here. Masterbuilt, and it has one large basket, 4 stacking baskets, and a wood chip tray. Look at that. You can put a whole turkey or chicken in there. You can put all the sides in here. What is a wood chip? I guess that's just to burn it. It has 6 functions right here. That is a super huge. Look at this beast that they're having. Look at this. Manny, we should get this. We should get this for the backyard. Look at that. They getting down on some food. Look at that. They got corn on the cob. They got potatoes.
All that in this, though.
Yes, they did. Look at this. They had to cook all this. Look at all these vegetables here. Then they got the thing here.
I guess so.
Yeah, this thing is huge. Let me see. Oh, here's what it looks like, you guys. Masterbuilt. All right, and I'm going to show you the UPC. Where is he? Oh, here it is right here. Look at the UPC. All right. This box is really heavy, you guys. Look.
Super heavy.
Super, super heavy. That look like churros. Is that a churro? Ooh, I might get it for that. Is it heavy? You gotta hurt your back. Look at this, you guys. Boom. Boom. You're saving $100. If you guys need one of these, it went from $197 all the way down to $97. 97. So you're saving $100. And if one of our subscribers, if any of you guys get one of these, please invite us over so we can eat.
Alright guys, I keep winning in every store I go to. You did a good find. You did a good find. But I keep winning.
Why you always gotta brag?
That's what I do.
You guys, this is a good find. I've been looking for this for a minute.
Me too. I've been looking for a juicer for a while. I just never wanted to pay.
Wait, it says food processor. That's not a juicer?
I don't want this thing.
What's a food processor? What is that?
I don't know.
Wait, what is it?
So it's a Elemental 8 food processor.
Okay. If anyone could tell us below what a food, I guess you just put the food in here and you just
chop it up.
Oh, I thought it was a juicer. Well, it's still a good price. All right.
It's absolutely a great price.
If anyone's looking for a food processor, then this is the find for you.
This is like a fancy name for like a blender. Because it shreds food.
I don't know. Let's tell them what it is. All right. Here's the name right here, you guys. Again, it's an Elemental 8 food processor. It has 350 watts. So it's powered to mix, chop, and puree. What's that mean? With ease?
That's like cutting, like.
That's a fancy word? Okay, well. Okay, so easy to use. Stainless steel blade. 2 reversible stainless steel discs. It looks nice. Look at that, you guys. That's really nice. All right, so this is what it looks like. All right, and here is the UPC. All right, so you guys can go ahead and scan. And you want to flip it to the price? You're ready? Oh, look at the side. Let's show them this. All right, so this is what it looks like. This is the base, the 8-cup work bowl, the pusher. I don't know what all this stuff is. Work bowl cover, chopping, mixing.
Oh, okay.
And another good thing about this, you guys, is it also has a 2-year limited warranty. So that's pretty good.
Okay, so I thought it was a juicer. Disappointed me, but now I see the picture and it looks a lot better. So look, this is what it does right here.
Oh, here it is. Okay, so here's the chop. All right, the slice, the shred.
So you can make like your own dipping sauce for like chips.
I don't need that.
Purify it, like liquefy it.
I'll just stir it with a spoon.
You know what? Listen, the most important part right here, okay? The price. It went from $99 down to only $45.
Let me zoom in. This is exclusive Angel on the Go. $99, you guys. Can you believe it?
What are you yelling?
It was almost $100. And now it's down to $45. You know what's good? Look, we got that one right there. And we got this one down here. So for the price that we were gonna pay for one, we're actually gonna get 2.
Yeah. And if you're a reseller,
that's all we're gonna say. Yeah, if you're a reseller, that's all we're gonna say. I don't need this. I can actually stir my stuff with a spoon. But if you guys are looking to resell, or if you guys need one of these for yourself or a family member, run to Walmart because it could be $45. Make sure you guys scan. And here is the UPC one more time. Good luck. You guys, Manny is so desperate. Look at this. He is desperate. He's desperate. He's still looking for silverware. This is a Walmart that is far away from the house that we never, ever, I think I've been here like maybe 1 or 2 times. Manny is so desperate. This is desperation right here. When your wife finds everything clearance for the day and your husband is just not scoring. Not scoring. Attention associates. Manny's not finding anything. Manny is so desperate. This is Manny's desperation. Okay, did you find something?
get away from me.
Did you find a red and black box? Sir, did you find it?
Not this time.
Not this time. Let's go. You ready to go? You ready to go? Huh?
Yeah.
Huh?
I guess so.
You ready?
So.
Oh, you know what? Here's a fine for you right here, Manny. Right here. Right here. There you go.
I got a fine for you. It's in my hand.
No, this is a clean channel. Okay, guys. We'll be back.